Hello students, welcome back to another episode of AP Calculus Tutorial presented by your personal math coach, premiumtutor. So let's just dive right into the question. Find all points on the curve x squared y squared plus xy equals 2, where the slope of the tangent line is -1. As you might have noticed that this is an implicit equation. That means it's not in the form of y equals f of x. Instead, x and y get entangled together, so it's not easy to tear them apart to make them an explicit function of y as a function of x. So in order to deal with this kind of equation, we need a special technique called implicit differentiation. So that means we need to take the derivative of both sides. So let's just get started. First, let's take the derivative of both sides. So it will be x squared y squared plus xy, and then we take the derivative and equals 2. And of course, we also take the derivative of 2, but you know that 2 is a constant, so it becomes just 0, which is very simple. So the left hand side is not that easy to do, but I think we can do it. So to differentiate x squared y squared, we need to apply the product rule. So we differentiate x squared first. So differentiate x squared first, y squared plus x squared. This time we differentiate y squared. Okay, and then the xy, we differentiate x first, just like what we did to the first term, times y plus x times y prime, and it's equal to 2. It's equal to 0. And the derivative of x squared is simply 2x times y squared plus x squared times 2y times y prime. So this is the tricky part. Remember to multiply 2y by y prime. Okay, let's move on. So x prime is just equal to 1, so it's y plus xy prime. So yeah, the derivative of y is y prime. Very straightforward, equals 0. And now let's just do some rearranging and try to collect like terms. Okay, so I would like to collect y prime. I would like to collect y prime because after we finish collecting y prime, we can move everything else to the right hand side. So let's see, we get y prime times 2x squared y plus x, and it's equal to -2xy squared minus y. So finally we get y prime in terms of x and y only. It's equal to -2xy squared minus y divided by 2x squared y plus x. So this is the expression for y prime. Okay, and we note that the slope of the tangent line is -1. So let's just set this equal to -1. So it's equal to -1. So now we can just try to solve for x and solve for y. Let's see what we can do. Well, to solve this equation, I'd like to multiply the denominator to both sides. So it becomes -2xy squared minus y, and it's equal to -2x squared y minus x now. Okay, so after some rearranging, we get 2xy squared plus y. It's equal to 2x squared y plus x. Let's factor out y. We get y times 2xy plus 1 equal to, let's factor out x. It's equal to 2xy plus 1. Next, so y minus x times 2xy plus 1 equals 0. Now we know this is actually very interesting, because if two things have a product of 0, that means either y minus x is 0 or 2xy plus 1 is 0. So let's consider both situations and see what we can do. So I will just right here. Let's write here. Running out of space. So if y minus x equals 0, that means y equals x. For the other situation, that means x times y equals -1/2. And you can get these results after some rearranging, after some simplifying. But if xy equals -1/2, we can try to put it back into the original equation to show that this is actually not possible, because if xy is really equal to -1/2, then x squared y squared plus xy would be equal to -1/2 squared plus -1/2, and it is no way equal to 2, right? It's not equal to 2. So we see that xy equals -1/2 is not correct, so we can just abandon it. Alright, so that leaves us only y equals x. Okay, so we must have y equals x. So we plug this into the original equation so that we get x squared times x squared. We substituted x for every y in the original equation. So plus x times x equals 2. After some simplifying, we get x to the power 4 plus x squared equals -2 equals 0. Okay, so it just looks like a quadratic equation. So we just use x squared plus 2 times x squared minus 1 equals 0. That means x squared has to be equal to 1, because x squared cannot be equal to -2, right? So x squared equals 1. X equals positive or -1. So we have x equals 1 or -1. If x equals 1, that means y equals 1. And if x equals -1, that means y equals -1. Because y equals x. Because y equals x. The answer is -1, -1, and 1, 1. Okay, so that's how you solve this AP Calculus question. If you have any question, text us or leave a message, or you can email us or line us. Okay, I hope you don't have any question, but if you do, just contact us through any method I just mentioned. And I hope you find this video helpful. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.